Hello, beautiful friends. So we are finding our way back here to Iamthrivingconsciousness, and today we tune into the frequency of gratitude. Gratitude is a frequency, is an elevated frequency, bringing you back into alignment. And today I tune in with you guys. If you want, join and follow gratitude. Sending the gratitude out to the universe, to the divine source in all that is. Okay, just centering, bringing in your consciousness into your heart center, taking a breath in and out. Thank you for waking me up with purpose. And you can certainly repeat this in your mind or speaking it out aloud. Thank you for opening doors for new opportunities that comes easily. Thank you for my well-being. Thank you for clearing any confusion. Thank you for bringing in ease and peace into my being. Thank you for the great inspiration that's been given, opening doors to walk with ease and peace. Thank you for all the love and light that shines within. Thank you for all the abundance, alignment, and truth of who I am. Thank you for this momentum. Thank you for the divine alignment. Thank you for connecting me to the right people in my life. Thank you for the divine timing. Thank you for all the trust within myself. Thank you for surrendering and trusting and having faith. Thank you for living my greatest potentials with ease and peace. Thank you for being filled with this light of my soul purpose. Thank you for who I am right now.